Hi everybody, it's Peter. We're gonna today take off the throttle body because the car, before we bought it, sat for a long time and the throttle body wasn't covered, so there's a lot of dirt on it, and I just want to make sure nothing got in the intake. Okay, so I don't know why, but one of these is 10 and the rest of the bolts on this throttle body are half an inch, so I don't know, just somebody lost a bolt or what. But let's remove the 10 first. I'm not taking off any hoses or wires because I just want to pull it off, clean it, and put it back on. Okay, now we're switching to half an inch. Okay, the good thing is that inside of the intake looks pretty clean. So we're just gonna spray the throttle body, clean it off, and lube it. Okay, sorry for the mess with the wires. We're redoing the wiring right now too. That's probably gonna be another video one day. Okay, so we're gonna vacuum inside just in case. Okay, now I'm gonna spray some WD-40 inside and then cover it for now while I'm cleaning the throttle body. Okay, nice and clean. Okay, now that all the screws are in, I'm gonna tape the front so the dirt doesn't get into it until we're ready to fire and hook up the rest of the intake. There, secure and safe.